I wanted to share something really quick regarding what's been happening for the last 3 years since 2020. As we already know that there was a biological agent released from Wuhan into the world, and that obviously it was funded by the United States government. And in addition to all of that, we were forced to be inoculated. And if you didn't get inoculated, you have to run the risk of either losing your job, losing your career. And then fast forward from that, you had the Afghanistan withdrawal, where that was just a big debacle on top of millions, if not billions of dollars of ammo, guns, bombs, vehicles, and jets, and all that. You name it. On top of the illegal elections, on top of Iran and Ukraine and all the other countries involved with what's happening currently today, being funded, again, by design from our own U.S. government, which I believe they're in collusion with Globalists, they're in collusion with the cabal and the deep state. And to finally encapsulate the whole thing, you have the mainstream false media deceptively portraying all these events and creating little narratives to push the agenda. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not going into World War III. We are in World War III since 2020.